If you want to change the fonts on your Squarespace 7.1 website, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch your font pack and instantly update the look and feel of your entire site. This is one of the easiest ways to refresh your branding, improve readability, and make your website feel more polished in just a few clicks. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. Once you're inside, find the website you want to edit and open it. Next, click the edit button in the top left corner of your site preview. This takes you into editing mode, where you can make visual changes to your site in real time. Now look at the toolbar in the top right corner and click the site styles icon. This is the paintbrush shaped icon, and it's where Squarespace keeps all of your design settings. After that, select fonts from the menu options. This opens the font settings panel, where you can manage the type styles used across your website. At the very top of the font panel, click Switch Font Pack. This is the main step that lets you replace your current font combination with a new one. Squarespace will then show you different font pack categories you can browse through. You'll usually see tabs like sans serif, serif, and mixed. If you want a clean and modern look, sans serif is a great choice. If you want something more classic or elegant, serif can give your site a more refined feel. And if you want a more stylized combination, mixed font packs can give you a unique look with paired fonts that complement each other. As you click through the different packs, Squarespace updates your site instantly in the live preview. That means you can see exactly how the new font style affects your headings, body text, buttons, and overall design before you save anything. Take your time and compare a few options until you find one that matches your brand. A good font choice can make your website feel more professional, more readable, and more aligned with your audience. Once you've found the font pack you like, you're basically done. Squarespace applies the style across the site, so you don't have to change every text block individually. That's what makes this method so fast and beginner-friendly. If you want a stronger brand identity, make sure the font matches your website's tone. For example, a clean business site might work better with a simple sans serif, while a creative portfolio could look better with a more expressive mixed set. And that's how you change fonts on Squarespace 7.1 in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.